Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is a new video for y'all. So as you can see, I switched around my room, so the light's not in the background anymore. I'm at my desk, so yeah. So today we're going to be trying to make some kinetic sand. Now as you guys can tell, if you've seen last videos, it was pretty much a fail where I tried to use salt and paint and water. Go check it out if you haven't watched it, and if you did, thank you so much. Remember to give it a big like and subscribe. I was just about to say, remember to give it a like and a big thumbs up. That's the same thing. So, we're trying it part 2, and this time I hope it's going to be good. So you're going to be needing container to mix with, something to mix with. I'm using a pencil. The obvious ingredients, some sand. That's only cornstarch. Some glue. Coloring is optional. And some detergent. So first thing, what you're going to do, let's play some music. So, actually that's kind of loud. There we go. So I'm going to put in the glue. Don't let me know. Food coloring. So now it's all mixed in. Let's go ahead and activate it with some laundry soap. So pretty much you're making a basic slime recipe. And right now, as you see, it's like not forming. That's okay. Ooh. Okay. I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is like a different version of it. So it's ready. So now you can add. Now clean up your hands. The slime should be attached to sand. Well, it should be attached to like in general. Oh my god, I forgot that I put this on. Oh my god. Frick. I forgot I put this on to be back when it's open. Okay guys, so I got the sand in. I literally didn't have to pause the video because that took me like 2 seconds to get open. Now let's add our sand in. I'm just dipping it out. Oh my god. Whoa. This feels so nice. This is the best crunchy slime though. So this slime can be molded. Okay, so guys, so this kinetic sand did work. I'm so excited. It's so nice. It's great for stretching. But this feels so nice, guys. Please trust me. You should do it. It's a great stress reliever. It feels really nice. Woo! One to pick up the phone. You know he's on. So guys, I'm gonna pause the music. This is very nice slime. Okay? Trust me on it. It feels great in your hands. Best crunchy slime too. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more awesome videos about slime and other things like room tour. Oh yeah, and I forgot to add the slime into the pencil. So guys, thanks for watching.